In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Google Workspace account and fix sign-in errors. Let's start by opening the login page. You can go directly to accounts.google.com or simply open mail.google.com if you prefer, starting from Gmail. Both will take you to the same Google sign-in flow. On the sign-in screen, enter your business email address, the one provided by your organization, typically in the format your name at yourcompany.com, then choose Next. If you manage multiple Google accounts, make sure you're selecting the correct work profile so your apps and files show up where you expect. Now enter your password carefully and click Next. Passwords are case sensitive, so watch out for extra spaces, caps lock, and different keyboard layouts. If you've saved your password in your browser, confirm it's the most recent one. Outdated autofill entries can cause immediate sign-in failures. If your organization uses extra security, you'll be prompted for two-step verification. This can be a phone prompt, an authenticator app code, or one of your backup codes. Have your device nearby, check that you're connected to the internet or have a mobile signal, and if needed, switch to an alternate verification method from the prompt. Once you're in, use the app launcher, the grid icon at the top right, to open Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Meet, and Calendar. This keeps everything under the same work account and prevents mix-ups with personal Google services. If you run into a wrong password error, first double-check caps lock and your keyboard language. If it still doesn't work, use Google's account recovery to reset or regain access by following the on-screen prompts. If you see account not found, it could be a spelling issue, a deleted account, or a suspended user. Verify the exact email format with your administrator, and if the account was removed or suspended, ask them to reactivate it. For your account has been suspended, contact your admin. They can open the Google Admin Console, locate the user in directory under users, and reactivate the account. If you're not receiving a verification code, confirm you have signal or internet, wait a few minutes, try backup codes, or switch to another verification method. Browser issues can also block sign-in. Clear your cache and cookies, try incognito or a private window, update your browser, or switch to another one. Google Chrome is a solid choice for compatibility. If you get couldn't sign you in, it might be suspicious activity, too many failed attempts, disabled cookies, or a VPN. Wait about 30 minutes. Temporarily disable your VPN, enable cookies, or try a different network. Finally, if an admin locked the account, only they can restore access through the admin console by selecting the user and choosing Restore Access or resetting the password. That's it. Now you know how to sign in and fix the most common Google